So I bought the house about 15 years ago. Bought it by myself. It was my first home. I just loved it. As soon as I found it, I just fell in love with it. I loved the cottagey style of it. I loved the little garden that's around it. It wasn't too much of a garden for me to manage myself, but it was enough to really feel like I was surrounded by green. What I loved about this house was that it had both that formal and informal living space. Even though it was only a 2-bedroom, it just has this expansive amount of space and natural light. There's windows everywhere, which I just absolutely adored. And that's really what made me fall in love with it.